Good morning. We are in the garden and we're gonna show some gardening tips. This is an old refrigerator, was taken from my neighbor's house. She asked me to dispose this refrigerator and I figured I could use it as a planter for my short crops like my lettuce, tomatoes, stuff like that. Show this one right here. This is just another planter that I got with some lettuce, tomatoes and some kale. So those old refrigerators are good for using as a planter. So I remove the door, throw that away, remove all the shelves and come inside. Let's show. In the bottom I have a bunch of holes so it could drain properly. I got about 20 holes, just half-inch holes, so it's gonna drain well. And this is what I'm gonna do, a new trick, a new technique for planting. I'm gonna, there's no reason to have, this is about what, 2 feet deep, about 24 inches deep. There's no reason to have 2 feet of soil if you're doing short crops like lettuce. They don't have that much roots. So I'm gonna fill the bottom of this with wood, old wood that's gonna rotten and keep moisture, and that moisture, the roots will eventually feed on that moisture, and eventually all those old wood is gonna rotten and turn into soil. So check this out. This is a soft tree, a soft wood, and it's all rotten already. Check it out. When that gets wet, that's gonna absorb moisture. It's gonna hold a lot of water in there. This is the same tree, just that this one was newly cut maybe a month ago, so it's not completely dried out yet. It's not completely rotten, but I'm gonna throw this in the bottom and that will eventually rot. So the first thing I'm gonna do, throw some cardboard in there. Cardboard is gonna break down as well. Throw that in the bottom. So in the bottom I got some cardboard and I'm just gonna, all those, this is a soft wood, a soft tree. I'm just gonna lay everything in the bottom. All that will eventually break down and turn into wood, into soil. It's very soft tree. So come, all wood, as I say, this is a soft wood. It's gonna break down very quick. And I got all this in the bottom. The next thing I'm gonna do, throw some soil in between. I'm gonna throw some soil. All that will help break it down. Then I'm gonna throw all this, all that green stuff. I'm gonna throw that in there.
Was it dirt?
No. This is all coconut branches. All that green mixed up with some dry. This is dry. All that dry grass. Dried grass. I'm gonna throw some more soil. Then put all that coconut stuff in here. So we're doing layers upon layers. Dry, then green, then some soil, then dry, green, some soil, and then for the finish layer I'm gonna mix up some soil with some compost and then just let that sit and it's ready to plant. Now I filled it up with some green and dry leaves, grass. Next step, throw some soil on there. So we'll throw some more buckets of soil and that will compress it down. And then we will mix up some with some compost. And that will be for the top layer. Alright. So right in there is some compost. Taken from my compost bin right there. Show that compost bin. And that's all organic grass, leaves and everything. And I'm gonna mix that with some soil. I'm gonna mix it with 2 buckets of soil. Mix it like I'm doing concrete. And that would be for the top layer. Alright, so for the final layer we're gonna use the soil and compost mix, and I'm just gonna shovel it in there. Alright, so I got it filled to the top. The final layer is soil and compost mix. So let's recap. In the bottom I got holes. I got holes in the bottom. So it allows it to drain. Then I got some cardboard, and then I got layers of wood, some dried wood and some still wet, but that will decompose really fast. And then I got some soil that will gonna help it to break down. Then I got some dry leaves and some green leaves, dry grass, green grass, then some soil. And then for the final layer I got soil and compost mix. And now I'm just gonna wet it. Eventually it's gonna break down, and I'm gonna be planting some stuff in there, some vegetables in there. That's one less refrigerator in the dump. I'm using this refrigerator as a planter, and you can do it too. If you got a garden and your refrigerator is not an eyesore, use it as a planter. And it's an ideal plant. See, I got this here. I got quite a few of them, and a little less strenuous on the back, and also the iguanas are not able to climb this up and eat my lettuce. That's one of the advantages. The iguanas would eat everything else and they will not get in there. So, planting tips. This is 1 week after transplanting. I build a little covering over it, so I could always remove this after my plants. As when transplant, I would cover it, and after a week I can remove the cover. 1 week. This is 3 weeks old. Nice lettuce. Those are ready for harvest. I encourage everyone to plant something in your backyard. Times are getting rough. We all got some spare time. Do some backyard gardening.